Absurdist literature. The term literature of the absurd refers to the works in drama and fiction written mostly after the World Wars that holds the view that human life is meaningless and absurd and represents this view in literature in an equally absurd manner. Origin of the term. The term absurd was drawn from the myth of Sisyphus. This is the name of the book that is written by the existentialist philosopher Albert Camus. The term theatre of the absurd was popularized by Martin Aislin's book The Theatre of the Absurd. The theatre of absurd or the absurdist literature has its own historical context. Absurdism was a reaction to the horror of the World War II and the values of pre-war traditional art and literature. It portrayed the disillusionment of the post-war generation. Major influences of absurdist literature were the writers such as Lewis Carroll, August Strindberg, Bertolt Brecht, and James Joyce. Existentialist writers such as Sartre, Kafka. The features of absurdist literature: sparse setting, black humors, stereotypical and flat characters, meaningless, non-sequential dialogues and repetitive actions, themes of loneliness and dehumanization in a commercialized world. Samuel Beckett, through the acts and deeds of the character Lucky and Pojo in his play The Waiting for Godot, presents the entire concept of absurdist literature very minutely. For the better understanding and clarity about absurdist literature, I would like to recommend the text. So read the text to understand the entire concept very clearly. The other most important practitioners of absurdist literatures are Jane Jennett, Harold Pinter, Tom Stoppard, and Edward Albee. Harold Pinter's The Birthday Party, Dumbwaiter, Homecoming, and the Tom Stoppard's Rosencrantz and Guildenstern are dead. Jumpers, travesties are also important. Edward Albee's The Zoo Story, Sandbox, American Dream, and Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf are important. So keep reading, make your own notes, do research, use Wikipedia and other resources, and obviously please use your time. Thank you.